Doors running J, oh my god.
I've been trying to get some more cash. Lately I've been in my whole bag. Please don't make me kill your whole swag. What I'm doing, I'm gonna make your low mad. Cause he sinister stuck with your ass. Drifting, dreaming, you with me. Flexing, flexing. We're playing, we're playing.
Cause it's your perspective. Talk your shit. Duh.
Doors running J, oh my god.
I've been trying to get some more cash. Lately I've been in my whole bag. Please don't make me kill your whole swag. What I'm doing, I'm gonna make your low.
Damn, too soon, huh? Well, I said excuse me. Fuck that, they better accept it. We grown. I had a belch. Hair on pop, makeup pop in. Okay, let me see. Is that good? Okay, Eve, you ready? You ready? And action.
Okay, no. That ain't gonna work.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Taylor Eve, and this is Eve's Mental Notes. I am so glad you guys tuning in to my lovely channel. I'm excited to share my life with you guys, my different thoughts, my different DIYs, my different fashion sense, my different food. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be a journey, you know? First things first, I know me flipping my hair is annoying, whatever. But listen, I mean, what can I say? It's on my way. Disclaimer, I will be looking different probably every single video because I switched my hair up so much. Okay, I mean, I make my own wigs, I do my own makeup. It's gonna be some get ready with me's, and just really just talking to you guys. I mean, real shit. Okay, you guys are gonna get some realness, 100% realness. I mean, I give it to them people on a daily, so why not share it with the world? I mean, it's Eve's Mental Notes, so everything that I be thinking, you know, I'm just gonna be sharing it with you guys. Seriously. And just really how I feel about stuff. Me and my boyfriend, we're gonna have our, you know, our talks on here with you guys about relationships and what we go through, and just really try to get an insight. I really want you guys to comment.
Please comment.
Because, I mean, let's be honest, without that, I won't know what you guys are thinking. So let me know, okay? Definitely still check out Eve's podcast. That's Eve's Mental Notes, the podcast. That's always some real shit, okay? Season 2 just wrapped up not too long ago. I plan on starting season 3 soon, but a little bit different than the last one. Promise you guys are gonna love it though. So, yeah, I mean, it's Eve's Mental Notes. Tune in with your girl, tune in with your girl, tune in. Listen, I'm just saying, I had to stop y'all and pause. Shout out to P. Nicole. Definitely, she's a lovely wigstress. Got your girl right, okay? Okay. Shout out to Taylor Eve on the beat with the B-E-B-E-T. Oh, I'm a rapper. But no, for real though. I model, I act. You guys are really just gonna witness my journey. Like, I be needing people to talk to. I've been an only child for so long. But I'm here and I'm better than ever because I figured out what I want to do. You know what I'm saying? I gotta inspire people all around me. Hopefully you guys heard all of that and it wasn't a waste. I just don't want to take this video because I just popped on and I'm just like, ooh la la, ooh la la. I know I need something on my lips, but it's okay. This is gonna be so exciting. Like, you guys are like my new best friends. It's gonna be exciting. I'm gonna post some food videos when I do my Dr. Sebi lifestyle recipes. You guys are gonna see my journey with that. So that's gonna be so exciting. And yeah, trips, all of that, vlog style, baby. Okay, just wait on it. Okay.
You with me, flexing, flexing, wet bling.